Hello, dear students. Welcome to Quick Revision Series Business Studies Chapter 4 Planning Part 1. Planning is the first function of management. It is a function of management which bridge the gap between where we are and where we want to go. प्लानिंग में हम पहले से डिसाइड करते हैं एडवांस में व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू एंड हु इज गोइंग टू डू. फीचर्स ऑफ प्लानिंग. फर्स्ट, planning focuses on achieving objectives. Organizations are set up in order to achieve certain desired objective, and planning contribute or help the organization to achieve their goals and objective in an efficient manner. Second, planning is primary function of management. Planning provides the base for all the other function of management, and it is the first function of management. This is the reason why it is called the primary function of management. Third, planning is pervasive. Pervasive means at all level. Planning is carried out at each and every level of management as well as in all the department of the organizations. Fourth, planning is continuous. Planning is considered to be a continuous ongoing process as plan need to be made and implemented till an organizational exists. Fifth, planning is futuristic. Planning is always done in relation to meet future desired goals effectively. It is regarded as the forward-looking function which is based on forecasting. Sixth, planning involves decision making. In a real life situation, manager have lot of options, lots of alternatives in order to achieve predetermined goals. It is totally depend upon the manager that what alternatives he choose to achieve his or her organizational desired objective. Seventh, planning is mental exercise. Planning involves application of intelligence and sound judgment to make correct decision. It requires rational thinking on part of management. Hence, it is considered to be a mental exercise. Planning, the roadmap to success. Keywords are focusing on objectives, being pervasive and continuous, looking forward to future challenges, enabling informed decision making, requiring critical thinking and analysis.